Hi, today I will cover the dependent mapping design pattern. This dependent mapping design pattern, it belongs to object relational structural patterns, and this object relational structural patterns belongs to enterprise application architecture. First we will see the explanation of dependent mapping design pattern. There are three points are there, so I will read out one by one. First one is parent class perform the database mapping for a child class, and second point is this is an alternative to foreign key mapping design pattern, and third point is in simple domain models parent class that hosts the dependent object has required logic to load data from the database. So we will see one example so that you will understand these points. Okay, to explain this design pattern, so we will use two tables. One is person table and another one is address table, and this person table has four columns: person id, name, age and gender. And in this person id is the primary key to uniquely identify the particular row. And second table is address table. It has three columns: address id, person id and city. In this address id act as a primary key. It is used to uniquely identify the particular rows, and here person id is act as a foreign key. Foreign key is nothing but primary key in one table act as a foreign key in another table. In this case person id is primary key in person table, but it act as a foreign key in another table. Okay, and so suppose if you want to create class out of this, then how it will be? So it will be look like this. So this is a person class, and it will have all the fields which is there in the person table: person id, name, age, gender. And the one person can have many address. If you see this one, the person Joe, and he belongs to three places. That how it is related is, suppose you can see person id 1, and here person id 1 is in three times. So this person Joe belongs to these three places: Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. And second one, Goni, this person belongs to two places. You can see a person id 2 is in address table two times, 2 2. So he belongs to Mumbai and Kerala. So this person can have many address. So we are maintaining set of address in the person class, and address can have only one person, so we are maintaining the person object here. And as per this design pattern, the parent class perform the data mapping for a child class. So this is the parent class, this is the child class. This perform the database mapping for the child class. So this class will have a method to save the address information. So it has some save address. So when you save the person object will be saved in this person table. Along with that, it will call the save address in the person object to save the address information in the address table. So when you save the parent class will have method to save the child object information in the child table. And if you see, this is a alternative to foreign key mapping pattern. Okay, and third point is in simple domain models parent class that hosts the dependent object. In this case, parent class is person and it hosts the dependent object. In this dependent one is address. So this parent class which is hosting the dependent object has required logic to load data from the database. So you can see this person, it has load address. So what it will do is, it will when it load the person, it will hit the address table and load the address information also in this person object. So if you read it again, you can understand. In simple domain model, parent class that hosts the dependent object has required logic to load data from the database. So it has logic to load. It has means this person class has logic to load the data from the database. In this case, it is loading address information from the address table and load it in the person object. This is about dependent mapping pattern. Thanks for watching.